Well, I got this unit here, the PowerSmart, that got it at Home Depot. Price value, I've got a lot of shrubbery and branches to get rid of, so I want to see what it does. I just took down this, took down about 10 feet off the top of that cherry tree, and that's it over here. So I'm going to try to get through it, see what it does. It's supposed to take about 1.5 inch branches, I believe, 1 3/8. So some of those I'm obviously going to have to take somewhere else, but worth a shot. Let's see what it does. That's the unit here. It says USA.com, but I believe on the box it said made in China, so I could be wrong. That's what it said. But that's the unit there. It'd be nice if it was made in the US, that's for sure. Okay, so you saw those branches there that were here, and that's what it made. Not bad. And it did it pretty quick. Wood like this, it has an issue with. I know you can't see that too well, but you see the knobs there? If that gets past 1.5 inches, then it has a hard time to fiddle through. So an area like that, you've got to break that down a little bit. So that's so far what I've found. But yeah, so far so good. All right, I'm gonna turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like. Can't hear me, I'm sure. That's what it looks like. Did you get to see any of that? All right. Well, you saw that pile of cherry tree there, and that's what I got left. So that's actually a big savings considering all of those branches got in that bag. Now that's a pretty damn heavy bag, I'll tell you, but with 2 hands I can get it out of here. But yeah, it did a really nice job of it. I did use a good sturdy electrical cord. It does say it draws 15 amps, probably draws 15 at max, maybe 13. I haven't looked at the voltage, but yeah, you want a good sturdy cable, 10 or I would say 10 or 12 gauge. And yeah, that's great. So now I need to tackle this sunburst locust. It's a beast. It's always growing. I'm not against it. It's just it's us or them, and we have to keep trimming the trees so they don't get crazy, especially over the pool. So far, day one, I'm going to give it 5 stars because it's exactly what I expected it to do, and I'll show you in a minute why, the other reason I picked it. Certainly it's electric. I like that part because it's just handier back here. I don't have to fiddle with gasoline, and it fits perfectly in the garage, and you'll see how tight it is, but it's just a handy size to get in there. Okay, so remember I told you about a tight spot in here? Well, that's where I gotta get to. So it'll just fit, and we'll try that. Just like it was made for it, eh? There it is. What did they say without measuring?